Hello guys and welcome to another ZIMALETA. In today's video we're finally going to be starting the Sprinter, guys. Everything has been replaced. New fuel tank, new fuel pump. Now let's put the battery on a charge and starting it. Wish me luck, guys. Thanks. So please hit a like, guys, subscribe, grab some popcorn and enjoy. That's gonna probably do it. So we're gonna put it to engine start. So it looks like everything kicked in. Guys, it's a moment of truth, man. Are you ready for me to start the van? Alright guys, revolving glow plugs. Wow, that's not good. My starter seems to be malfunctioning. Did we kill the starter in the process? Guys, the way it's turning, it does feel like it wants to start. Kind of. Sort of has that feeling. Oh. Oh. Oh, what now? Man, what now? What happened? What's spewing all this diesel out? Jeez, are you kidding me? I was about to say I needed to get out there and take a look at it, what's spewing it out, but I don't know what's spewing it out. Jeez, man, guys. And everything is on. I mean, you see, look, all my lines are on where they need to be. Like, what could it possibly be? I mean, could it be spewing from the bottom there? Man, this sucks. And it is diesel. And it's making it all the way up there, so something's definitely serious going on here. I don't know where it is. I don't know it. I need to observe with somebody starting it. Jeez, that's not good. Заводи. So stop. Okay, guys, looks like we have the bleeder. That's how you bleed the diesel. The bleeder was all open. That was the issue. There was an issue with it bleeding everything. So I guess at least we got it bled. Попробуй заводить. Да, просто крути. Она сама выключает. Давай опять. Походу, да, может быть. Guys, it's almost starting. It's almost starting. А ну-ка, подожди, Ляль, не поворачивай еще. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to bleed this. No! I just broke my fuel line. No! Man! I broke my fuel line, guys. Jeez. These plastic ones just suck. Guys, I did broke the fuel line just now, but here's the thing. I want to bleed my fuel injectors. That's the reason I was actually removing it. So, Хань, начинай заводить. Да, еще продолжай. So once it starts, it means that we bled the system anyways. Then I'm gonna replace the fuel line. I'm gonna put it on a start and give it 200 amps. Okay, continue, honey. See, it's the return fuel line, it's actually not returning much, but it should technically run. It's just gonna be really leaking diesel. Almost. Almost. I see some air spewing out of there with bubbles. I notice as it's trying to grab and start, then it starts leaking at the return fuel line. So, Hanya, ну-ка, stop for a second. А ну-ка, start again. I don't know if that's residual fuel. А ну-ка, stop, Hanya, stop. Okay, I noticed the fuel line, the fuel electrical line from the fuel pump, that's actually disconnected. I think it should be on. So the electrical is now connected to the fuel line. So, Kanye, start again. There's definitely some bubbles on the fuel injector right there. It is bleeding some diesel. So close, guys, so close, so close. So close. Honey, continue. Да.
Вот смотри, вот тут горит. Вон там.
The battery is getting weaker and it's blinking here. I'm looking high. Let's just wait a little bit. I'm gonna try again. So stop. It's blinking. Seems like the battery is kind of weak right now. We should definitely leave it overnight, getting it charged. So come back tomorrow and replace this fuel line. I guess I'll just go ahead and do a video on it, and hopefully things will go smoothly from there. But as you can see, guys, it almost deserves me to take my leaf blower and blow all the leaves out. Almost deserves it. So man, all these problems. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I think I'm gonna take this news as being positive news. It almost started. Yes, the fuel line is broken. It's plastic anyways. I should have a spare one somewhere here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it, and we should be good to go. Thank you for watching again, and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.